On this toilet, the handle, the flush, is not functioning properly. It needs to be pushed all the way down and it will not catch and lift up the flapper. So I'm gonna replace it. Here I have a new one made by Corky, purchased at Menards. It is fitting almost all brands. It's universal and can be installed in the front, on the side. It can be right or side, upside down. And let's install it. First thing is to take all of them out. Okay, here is old one, and I need to take the handle plastic nut off first and unhook the chain, so I can let that go down. And I need to figure out how to take this off, and it goes easy like that. Here we are, all this out. Okay, here we are with new one. We have this piece and a little hook for the chain. So I think that I need to take this apart in order to make this handle to go straight. So first thing is to take this red clip out to separate this, and in order to adjust this, here's one more clip that I need to take out, adjust this and put it back so it will be staying like this. So let's take this plastic nut off first, go through here, and I need to decide how I'm gonna do this, which way. So I've decided to do it as it is and just put this on, put the clip in, and tie this nut to the tank, and it will function now properly. So here I can demonstrate one more time how to adjust this. I think I'm okay with this direction, but in order to change that, take this clip out, lift it up, put it down, put the clip back in, which is a little tight in here, but I can manage that, so that is okay. And I'm just gonna reach down in the water and take this chain out and attach it to the handle. Chain is a little short and I can adjust this, but first I'm gonna take this piece off and install a new one, which came with this lever, and I can install it here, but I am gonna adjust this lever here a little bit more towards down, which I just need to take clip out, and I'll try it this way. So we will test it and see where do I need to connect this. I'm going to install this way, but I bought also this flapper, and I will need to replace that, but I'll put that in the second video so you can see how that goes. Here I have to connect this to the last hole, and take some effort to do that, but here we are, and now it's ready, so I can just demonstrate how that goes. Okay, we'll just cover it. After I adjusted it one more time, I took this clip out, raised it up a little bit, so it will be easier to push, just like barely. Now I'm gonna cover it and try one more time, and it works much better. So this is it, what it takes. It works now very well, but I already purchased this flapper, and I'm gonna put that in the second video and show how that goes. That is all what it takes to replace the handle and lever on toilet tank. If you have any questions or comments, I'll be more than glad to answer. Thank you for watching.